Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change audio language in Youku. So first of all, launch open Youku application. You can see over here Youku application has been opened. Make sure you're playing the video in which you want to change the audio language. You'll be able to change the audio language in the full screen mode only. So what you have to do is tap on the full screen icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to view the video in full screen over here. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. So in order to change the language, what you have to do is tap on this CC icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find this option for audio language. You can see over here right now Mandarin is selected. You'll also be able to see other languages available. The languages will be dubbed via the AI and you'll be able to hear the audio in that particular language. So simply tap on the audio language that you would like to change to. Now after you do that, the AI will dub the audio language for you. So that is how you change audio language on Youku. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.